Hello everybody, I am Anjalee and welcome to my channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how you can convert your old dupatta to a new jacket. So you can make this project with the whole new fabric also. So here I am using this old dupatta for myself. So here I have this chikankari dupatta. So here you can see at the sides of the dupatta I have this chikankari work going on. So first I am going to fold this in half. So I'll cut this in half. Now I have two pieces. One will be for the front side and one will be for the back side. So first I'm going to give the measurement for the back side. So whatever the measurement of your hips is, take half of it and then add 5 more inches to it. Like mine is 44 inches. So half of 44 is 22 and I'll add 5 more inches to it. So it makes 27. So from one end I'm going to mark 27 inch like this. And I will mark a point here. So this is 27-inch wide fabric. So I need this much of fabric for my back side. Now I'll make a line like so. And then I will fold my fabric till this line. Now from the top side I will mark my regular measurement. So I'll take 3 inch for the neck width and then 7 inch for my shoulder measurement, that is half of my shoulder. Now 8 inch down I'm going to mark my armhole measurement and I'll make this line. Now from this corner I'm taking 1.5 inch and then I'll make a curve for armhole like so. Now here I'm going to mark the measurement of my chest. So from the sides I'm giving just 2 inch of gap and I'm making the measurement for my chest. I'll take this line straight down because this is jacket. We don't need that kind of fittings from the sides. That's why I'll take my fittings just straight till the bottom part. Now here I'm giving half inch of shoulder drop and for the back side I'm taking 3 inch depth and I'll make this curve. So here my measurement is done. Now I'm cutting this. So here you can see I have given straight cut. Now this is the front part. So I have placed my back side here like this, and from the folded side I have taken 3 inch extra. Here you can see I have taken 3 inch extra fabric from the folded side and then I have kept my back side. So you need to take that 3 inch of extra fabric and then I'm going to cut this exactly the same. Now I'm making this line, giving 3 inch of gap from the folded side. Now just remove this part. Now from this 3 inch of line, I'm going to start giving the marking for my front side. So I'll take 3 inch again for the neck width and half inch down I'll give my shoulder drop, and then I will give little bit of depth for my armhole curve. Here I'm giving 7 inch of depth for the neckline and I'm making simple round neck like this. So this is done. Now I'm going to cut this out. So first I'm cutting the neckline. Then shoulder drop. And now I'm giving little bit of depth for the front armhole. Now I will cut this from the center. Now I have this 2 pieces of fabric for the front side and I'll give 3 inch of line to both the pieces and I'm going to give 2 folds here till this 3 inch of line. So you just have to give 2 folds till this 3 inch of line and then give a stitch. Similarly to this part also. So here you can see I have given the stitch to both the pieces and it's looking like this. Now I'm going to attach my back piece to the front side from the shoulder. So facing both the right sides together, I'll join my shoulders and then I will complete the neckline. So here you can see I have attached my shoulders together. Now I have this long bias binding strip from the same fabric. and I'm going to complete my neckline from this. So what I'm going to do is I'll fold this bias binding strip into half, and then I will keep it here to the right side of my jacket, and then I'll give stitch to the neckline, to the whole neckline. So here I have the one end of the neckline, and this is my bias binding strip. I will fold this in half like this, and then I will attach this part to the right side of my jacket. So take 1/2 inch of extra fabric, fold it to the wrong side like this, and then give a stitch. Give little bit of gap while giving the stitch like this. Now just give the stitch to the edges of the neckline and join both the pieces together. Similarly, complete the neckline from the another end also like this. So here my strip is attached to the neckline. Now I'm going to give small cuts like so. Now I will take my strip to the wrong side. I'll fold it to the wrong side like this, and then I'll give a stitch from the top side. So keep folding it to the wrong side and give a stitch to the right part of your jacket. Like this way your neckline will be completed. So here my stitch is done. Similarly, I'll complete the armhole side also, my sleeves part. So this is the right side of my jacket, and I'm going to attach this bias binding strip to the edges of the armhole like this. So giving just 2 cm of gap, and I'm attaching both the pieces like this. Now give small cuts all over the armhole. Now take this strip to the wrong side, give 2 little folds. Here you can see how I'm giving the fold. Take 2 little folds and take it to the wrong side of your jacket and give stitch. So this is very easy way to complete your armholes or necklines. In my earlier projects I have done this. So here you can see my armhole is completed, my sleeves are done, my neckline is also done. This is the result. Now I will give the side fittings. So giving just 2 inch of gap from the sides, I will give straight stitch till the bottom part like this. Here you can see I have given this stitch to both the sides, and my fittings are also done. This is the front side. If you want, you can attach some beautiful decorative buttons at the front side. It will give really nice look. Now give a nice iron and your jacket is ready to wear. So I hope you like this recycle project. If you liked it, then please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And yes, you can follow me on my Instagram handle also. All the links are below in the description box. I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.